very much, Dr. Srinivas, for being so generous in presenting me to the people. Some of them are known to me, I know them. But friends, the adjectives are like fragrance. To enjoy the fragrance, you have to inhale and not swallow. So not necessarily you have to swallow all what has been said about me by my good friend Dr. Srinivas. All these were his thoughts, his feelings, his emotions, his sentiment about me, which of course I value very much. And let me assure you, Doctor, it will be my endeavor and sincere for that matter to stand up to your expectation, not only on Rotary platform, but all through my life. Thank you very much. Dr. Srinivas, the pediatric heart surgery faculty of KIMS Hospital, my fellow Rotarians, the beneficiaries and friends. I express my very, very sincere gratitude to Dr. Srinivas for inviting me here, giving me an excellent opportunity to be amongst you all, have your fellowship, witness the smile and enthusiasm on the face of each and every individual in this room, know a bit about what pediatric heart surgery is and what the management of KIMS Hospital is doing for this cause, and share some of my thoughts on this occasion. Believe you me, it was a bit difficult for me to be here today, as yesterday only I lost my co-brother-in-law, and my wife is sitting at the airport and I am here. You can well imagine what kind of Mahabharata I must have faced yesterday, ever since I told her that I am going to be here. But that is my love for the organization, that is love for the program which we are having today. Incidentally, let me inform you friends, I am an engineer by education, businessman by profession, but all through my Rotary career I have seen that why I get only the medical programs. I was associated with polio, I was associated with COVID, I am associated with pediatric heart surgery, cervical cancer and things like that. Many of my friends, they have started addressing me as a doctor. And I said, यार डॉक्टर की मेरे को ABC मालूम नहीं है. I do not know what medical science is all about, but it is always good to hear all these things. And for that, I express my very sincere gratitude to God above that He has given me opportunity to do something for the people of the world in medical thing. Now coming to pediatric heart surgeries, my association with this program started actually in the year 2006. When I was the director-elect, I had been to one of the Rotary clubs, district's Shukriya function, 3030. The then district governor, Madhu Rugwani, he said that they had organized 202 heart surgeries for the children. Believe me, I didn't understand what he was trying to say, but thereafter I tried to understand what it is. And believe you me, when I became director of Rotary International, I had the pediatric heart surgery program under the Save Your Heart as a national program and made him only as the chairman. But thereafter I didn't do much because being a non-medical person, normally I don't get involved in all these things. It was 2017, we had felicitated Srimati Rashtriji Birla by Rotary Club Thane Hills. And there what happened, a past president of that club, Shri, he happened to introduce me to this lady who is sitting here. So she is the culprit of bringing me in this program. In the 2018-19, she was to be the president of the club. And I do not know what made me give the assurance that yes, I will support this program of yours when you are at the helm of yours in your club. And thereafter we started. I started supporting Thane Premium. But in the meanwhile, we also thought that why Rotary Club Mulund should not do, because we also have a hospital nearby. I am referring to Fortis. Incidentally, 2019 and 20, the president of my club was son of a Rotarian under whom I was the club secretary. So I had a very close relationship. I just told him, Ambala Rajesh, I used to call him Beta Karke. Beta, तेरे साथ में एक अच्छा project करूँगा, you decide. I don't know what made him say that, Uncle, we will do pediatric heart surgeries. I said, okay, we will do this. That time I had already committed to Thane Premium. So I cannot go to the source from where I get the funds. My wife asked me, how are you going to do this thing? मैंने कहा, first of all, I will speak to my club members to seek their support. I should be getting something. If I don't get, then I will speak to the district supporters, Rotarians. If there also I fail, then I will go to all India basis, all of my friends. And suppose there also I fail, I said, फिर कुबेर है ना मेरे पास. Then I will go to her only. But I have accepted this program and we are going to do this. And let me tell you, friends, today I have been associated with this program, and with my support, including Thana Premium, I have done over 980 surgeries as of today. I was delighted to know from Dr. Srinivas that they have a capacity, they are going to have a capacity in the next couple of months to operate 1,000 in a year, no?
Yeah.
Huh? So here, doctor, I assure you, I do not know what Thana Premium will do, I do not know what District 3142 will do. Rotary Club of Mulund will take care of 500 surgeries. I don't know you are ready for that. See, that does not mean we are going to stop the work from other hospitals. See, we are getting this thing done in a various hospitals. Let me be very honest with you. I started with Jupiter, so I am not going to discontinue Jupiter because of my personal relationship also with them. We are getting through Fortis Hospital. They are very near, hardly a kilometer away from my house, so I cannot stop that. We have started doing in Satyasai Hospital also. That also we are not going to stop. And now we were thinking of Kokila Ben, but seeing his assurance that in a couple of months you are going to touch a figure of 1,000 surgeries every year. So I assure you, from all the surgery what we Rotary Club Mulund is going to do, 500 will be to your club.
Thank you. Thank you.
Whether it is to premium or whether it is to 3142, but Rotary Club Mulund is committed for that. This is my assurance to you.
Thank you, sir.
Well, friends, as has been said earlier, around 250,000 cases take place every year. The Google says 300,000, so more or less same. Now, all cannot be cured because of the financial status. ये नहीं है कि ये बीमारी सिर्फ गरीबों को ही आती है, अमीरों को भी आती होगी, पर अमीरों का अपने आपको और मेरे को पता नहीं चलता because they can afford it. Very simple thing. And we cannot reach each and every child also. That also I can well understand that we cannot reach. But let me inform you, District 3141 and District 3142 put together, we must be doing at least 1,500 to 2,000 cases every year. That's my just rough calculation. Because last year, District 3142 did around 650 or 670 cases. And more or less, उधर भी होता है क्योंकि they have many outlets. So 1,500 to 2,000 cases we do every year. And this is not we are doing for 1 or 2 years. We have been doing for the past. And I can assure you, Rotary is such a fine organization. They are not for the credit. Who gets the credit is not important. Now Ashok Mahajan is in 3141, but he is working here 3142. Not by any extraordinary, because ultimately what we are doing is a human services. Very simple thing. I am a Rotarian first and then a Rotarian member of the Rotary Club Mulund or District 3141 or 42. And incidentally, let me inform you, when I was a governor, District 3141 and 42 were together, and that was also a time I used to come here more often. Why? See, I am just on the border. I live in Mulund. If I have to go to South Bombay, I have to spend now it has become easier, but those days 1.5 hour minimum. Here I can come in 15 minutes. So for me it's a convenience. But I can assure you that program will not suffer. I am sure that you all know the story of Sant Rahim. Sant Rahim was a very big philanthropist. But what was his nature? While giving any help to anybody, his eyes always used to be on the down. He never used to look at the person whom he was supporting. So one of a naughty friends like me must have asked him, कि यार तेरा ये समझ में नहीं आता, जब तो देता तो तेरी नजर नीचे होती है. He was a poet also. You know what he said? He said, देनहार कोई और है, देनहार कोई और है, भेजो था दिन रहे, लोग भरम मुझ पर करे, तासे रहे, नीचे रहे. क्या देने वाला कोई और है, मैं नहीं हूं. Similarly, let me inform you, all what I am doing is not from my pocket. So don't be under that impression that I am a Tata Birla. But there is someone who supports this, and I am not talking only of Aditya Birla Group. They are a big supporter, but fortunately for me, and fortunately the connection I have, we keep on getting funds from the others. A Rotary from my club, just I asked him the other day, he gave me 85 lakhs rupees for this program. See, cause is good. And I for one strongly believe that if the cause is good and the people doing that job are sincere, committed, hard-working, funds will never be a problem. That we have witnessed in polio eradication program. When the program started, we thought of $120 million and hierarchy in the Rotary world was worried whether we will be able to reach that figure. As against $120 million, we could raise $247 million in 1 year. The program which was for $120 million, Rotary has already spent $2.6 billion. $2.6 billion, and by the time the program gets over, Rotary's contribution would be much over $3 billion. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has already given $1.2 billion for the cause. Why? Because cause is good. You are saving the life of a child. Similarly, here the cause is good. We strongly believe, one of our Rotarians in our club, he always says कि हमारे club में दो अच्छे काम हो रहे हैं. हेलो कौन से? बोलते हैं कि तुम कर रहे हो. बोला मैं कौन सा कर रहा हूँ? पीडियाट्रिक हार्ट सर्जरी. The moment you give life to a child in the family, you are taking care of the family. Other, we are having a scholarship program. The moment you give scholarship to a person for higher education, you are again building the family of that person. So these are the Rotary is there to do good in the world. That was the message given to us by these and the 6th president of Rotary International. Am I right, sir? Do good in the world. And world peace is our ultimate goal. अल्टीमेट गोल को अचीव करने के लिए वर्ल्ड पीस अगर चाहिए, अगर आपके बच्चे को बीमारी है, उसका कोई इलाज नहीं, तो आप वर्ल्ड पीस में कैसे आपसे मैं बात कर सकता हूँ? How can I talk to you when your child is suffering? I cannot talk to you about that. If your child is illiterate, how can I talk to you about world peace? So Rotary's object is very simple and crystal clear. Under the 7 areas of focus of the Rotary Foundation, we have practically everything in the world to do good in the world. And therefore, my congratulations first of all to KIMS Hospital, which has just come into operation. And the way they are doing, I have been here, this is my 4th time I am coming here. I was here twice for cervical cancer also. And I have seen how the hospital is, what the services are provided, and I am pretty sure soon this hospital also will have the image, what they have the image in south of India. Again, I thank you very much, Doctor, for inviting me and letting me know the capacity, the potential of the hospital and the foundation of this hospital, how they are going to support it. I was delighted to know that KIMS Foundation is also going to support this cause, and that's the greatness. So it is a sort of partnership we will be having. I wish every success to each and every one of you. And my request to all those presidents or the members of other Rotary clubs than Thana Premium,
come forward. Kailash has given 5 surgeries. Don't restrict yourself to 5 surgeries. Let every club give 10 to 15 surgeries, and that's how you can make it happen. Let only Rotary give 1,000 surgeries in this hospital, and that I will consider as a big achievement of Rotary. You will be given 1,000 life to 1,000 children in a year, every year, and that's nothing but the greatest thing you can think of. I wish you every success to each and every one of you. Thank you very much.